Hi, I'm Mike with Totta Hardwood Flooring, and today I'm going to show you what is contained in our cleaning kit as well as the method we recommend to clean your wood floor. So in our cleaning kit, you can purchase these, or if you get work done from us, you'll get one, is some wood floor cleaner, pH neutral, some concentrates that you can dump into this bottle when it's empty and fill up with water, super easy, a couple of rags to clean your floors just with spot cleaning, some wet pads for the mop, the mop head, and the dry pads, and I'll show you how all those are used. Also in the kit is a hygrometer, which helps you track the temperature and relative humidity in your home. Super important because wood changes dimensions with swings in temperature, relative humidity from season to season. So the more regulated you can keep your environment, the better. And then some information, you can actually download a monthly maintenance planner if you want a tool to help care for your floor. When you go to clean a wood floor, first recommend sweeping or vacuuming to get up any debris. You can use a vacuum, that's a great method. That's going to be a little better than sweeping because if you have small gaps or grooves with a pre-finished floor or anything like that, it's gonna get the dirt and debris out. Sweeping is also a good method. You can use a broom and a dustpan, or you can run this dry tack pad around your floor, just like they would with a basketball court. One common mistake I see when people are using this style of mop, you want to always make sure you keep a front edge. So you go around your floor, and when you turn this way, back and forth like that, as opposed to just scrubbing it back and forth. And that way you're going to keep all your dirt and debris on the front edge, and then you can clean it and vacuum it off. Once you sweep or vacuum or dry tack, then you're just going to spray your cleaner out section by section. I like to work in about a 10 by 10 area. And then I will dampen this pad, put it on the floor, and wipe it down in that area, and then work your way around your floor. You can switch out your pads if you want to, or you can do what I do and just pull them off and rinse them in the sink. And then when you're done, throw everything in the washer for the next time you need to clean your floor. One common mistake I see made is people use one pad to clean their entire floor. So it gets saturated with dirt and they end up smeared it around. So I either recommend keeping multiple pads and switching them out as you're cleaning, or you can just do what I do and periodically take your pad off, rinse it out, bring it back out, and then you're ready for your next section. All right, I hope that helps you know how to clean for your floor better. Also check out our services page at tottahardwoods.com to see information about other maintenance steps you can take, including deep cleaning and maintenance coating.